Meaning of foamy.
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 Foamy. Foamy refers to a state of being covered in or producing foam. Foam is a bubbly substance that forms when gas bubbles are trapped within a liquid or solid material. When something is described as foamy, it typically means that it has a light and airy texture and may be filled with bubbles. This can apply to things like soapsuds, whipped cream, or even the waves of the ocean when they crash onto shore. Foamy substances can have a variety of different properties depending on their composition, but they tend to be visually striking and often have a tactile, squishy texture.